bubble sort, and you guys made a video of the bubble sort. Could you make sure you put that into a folder in your Google Drive called Searching and Sorting? Okay, so make sure that's filed away properly. Today we're going to have a look at insertion sort and merge sorts, so the two other types of sort that you could use to sort data. And we're going to start with the insertion sort. Now, on the left I've got a list of numbers, okay, and what we're going to do is sort these numbers into ascending order, so largest to smallest, sorry, other way around, smallest to largest, okay. And the insertion sort works like this. If there's only one item in the list, you stop the sort. If there's more than one item, you start on the second item and you compare it with the item above, okay. Now we can see here that 5 is bigger than 2. So we don't need to swap those two around because they're already in order. So we move on to the next item, number 4, and we compare it with the numbers above. So 4 is smaller than 5, okay, so we move on to the next one, but 4 is bigger than 2. So what happens is that then gets inserted into there, okay. So we look at the next number down, which was 6. So we compare, okay, that's smaller than 6, so we just leave it where it is. We look at the next number. 3 is smaller than 6, it's smaller than 5, it's smaller than 4, but bigger than 2. So we move all these numbers and slot it in there, okay. So we go down to the next number, which was 7. And we compare, okay, well 7 is greater than 6, so we don't need to move up or put that anywhere else, so we leave that there. Then we look at the last number, which is 1, and we can see 1 is smaller than 7, smaller than 6, smaller than 5, smaller than 4, smaller than 3, smaller than 2, so that will go at the top of the list. So we just shift all these numbers across one and insert number 1 at the top there. Okay, so what I would like you guys to do is something similar. Could you maybe create an animation? Now this might be in Keynote or it might be in Explain Everything with some random numbers, maybe a bit like I've done with 1 to 7, 1 to 8, whatever. And can you perform an insertion sort on those numbers? Okay, you can either record yourself talking about it or you can make annotations as the video rolls, okay. If you record yourself, could you just stay in the classroom because you will have a cover teacher today, and we probably don't necessarily want you guys wandering around with a cover teacher, although I completely trust that you would be absolutely fine. Just in this case, stay in the classroom. So that's the insertion sort, and I'm going to make a video also for merge sort, so have a look at that one next.